Modern cars are incredible. They're faster, safer, and more efficient than ever before. A lot of people think that means they're also maintenance-free. Just drive it until a light comes on, right? Well, not exactly. The truth is, modern cars are incredibly reliable, but only if you understand one crucial concept. It's the secret that separates drivers who enjoy thousands of trouble-free miles from those who face unexpected, massive repair bills. And no, it's not about changing your oil on time, though that's important. It's something much more fundamental. So, what's the big secret? It's understanding that your engine is a collection of perfectly balanced, closed systems. Think about your car's cooling system, its lubrication system, and its fuel system. Each one is a sealed loop, engineered to work under specific pressures and with specific fluids. It's not like a gas tank that you just fill up when it's empty. These systems are designed to be the coolant that circulates to keep your engine from overheating is supposed to stay in there. The oil that lubricates every moving part is supposed to stay in there. The fuel, under high pressure, is supposed to stay in its lines until it's injected into the engine. This is where so many drivers go wrong. They notice their coolant is a little low, so they just top it off. Oil level dropped a bit, just pour some more in. They treat these closed systems like they're open containers. But here is the critical point. If you have to top up a fluid in a closed system, it means you have a leak. That fluid is going somewhere it shouldn't be. Simply adding more fluid is like putting a Band-Aid on a broken bone. You're treating the symptom, not the cause. You're ignoring the real problem, and that problem is only going to get worse. Let's talk about why this is so important in modern engines. The tolerances are mind-blowingly tight. We are talking about clearances between moving parts that are measured in microns, that the pistons, the bearings, the camshafts, they all depend on a perfect film of oil at the right pressure to prevent metal-on-metal contact. Even a tiny leak can cause a drop in pressure, compromising that protective film. Similarly, the cooling system is pressurized to raise the boiling point of the coolant. A small leak lowers that pressure, which can lead to overheating, warped cylinder heads, and catastrophic engine failure. It's a domino effect. So what does this mean for you, the driver? It means you need to change your mindset. Instead of just topping things up, you need to be a detective. When you check your fluids, don't just look at the level. Look for signs of leaks. Check under the car for drips. Look at the hoses for cracks or wet spots. Pay attention to the color and consistency of your fluids. If your coolant level is dropping, don't just add more and forget about it. Find out why it's dropping. Is it a leaky hose? A failing water pump? A crack in the radiator? These are often small, inexpensive fixes if you catch them early. But if you ignore them, they will lead to very, very expensive repairs. Your car isn't trying to trick you. It's communicating with you. A low fluid level isn't a request for a top-up. It's a warning sign that something is wrong with the sealed system. By understanding this, you shift from being a reactive owner who deals with breakdowns to a proactive owner who prevents them. You start working with your car, not against it. You'll save money, avoid stress, and keep your modern, reliable car running reliably for years to come. So the next time you pop the hood, remember, don't just top up, investigate. That's the real secret to modern car ownership. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more tips. Drive safe.